Namaste and welcome to day 22. Well, this is Start Now journey and you've officially made it to the fourth segment of this practice. Good job on the yesterday's practice because I know it didn't come easy. It's actually our hard work and dedication towards the last 20 days which resulted in day 21, which was one-pointedness and stillness. I'm sure a lot of you must have dived yourself into that place of stillness where, for a little short duration at least, you got that focus. You were all zoned in. Well, pranayama practice holds that magic and it actually does that to you. Yes, so if you are wondering that what you did yesterday came very new to you, or just made you feel completely lost in time, or you didn't realize what you were doing, well, that's exactly what the practice demanded, and that's exactly what you look for. Not knowing what you're doing and just being still in that one place. Well, if you were somewhere in this line, good job, congratulations. If you were somewhere in different line, well, don't worry, you're heading there, so congratulations to you as well. Don't worry, your practice is just perfect. Wherever you are, do not compare yourself with the practice. Everyone will have a very different experience. It is an individual practice, and this individual practice will take you in your own individual journey. So let your practice flow in as natural manner as possible. Yes? Alright, with there, let's get you seated into a comfortable position with your eyes closed, body relax, chest and shoulders relax, reaching your head to the ceiling, to the universe, and grounding your hips to the floor. Observing the inhalation and exhalation in the body. Trying to feel the sensation of that air touching the entrance of the nostril as it enters through and within that path. As you exhale, see the temperature of the air leaving out of your body. As you inhale again, try to trace the path of the breath. As you exhale, notice the temperature of the breath. Keeping your attention towards your breath, the path of it, thermal sensation it creates, and the temperature it changes to. Notice a cool air entering your system, the body oxidizing it, heating it, and then making you leave a warm air out of your system. From here, we'll get our palms to heart center. Join your palms and let's chant 3 sounds of Om. Inhale. Have a simple intention for your practice. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. Beautiful. We start today's We start today's practice by standing. So let's get you on your feet. Try to come on the top of your mat and try to just sway your weight left to right. Let your body weight shift from the left side of the body to the right side of the body. And as you find that calibration, come into stillness weight on both the legs. Get complete still with your body. Try not to move at all. And slowly get your legs together. From here, you will get your hands on your knees and just gently warm up those ankles and the knees, making good circle from your legs, from your knees. Go to extreme ranges. It encourages your ankles to also feel that warm up. And now reverse the direction. Keep your spine straight. And slowly come back up. From here, we will encourage and ask our hamstrings to wake up. Alright, so get your hands on the waist, hinge your hip backwards, and try to lean your upper body halfway down. You will start feeling your hamstring in the back of your thigh, and then push it back up. Let's do this 10 times and try to breathe exactly here in the back of your legs. Try to pass your breath there. Exhale when you go down. Inhale when you come up. Exhale when you go down. Inhale when you come up. Exhale when you go down. Inhale when you come up. Exhale. Keep going. Last one. And slowly come back up. Lovely. From here, you will slowly lift your right leg up. If you can balance it, do that. Look at your one gaze exactly at one spot. Yes. Hold it there. And slowly release. Let's go for the other leg. Find your balance. Relax your feet. Spread your toes. And stay. And release. We'll go for the first side again with your arms up. Lift up and hold. Find the balance. Slowly release. Let's change sides. Change the leg. Try to lift up the knee to the height of your hips. And slowly release. You remember the practice of leaning down from your upper torso? We will do the same thing, but adding the legs this time. So take your right leg back and lower the upper torso and lift up the leg at the same time. So now, if you find that your balance is going here and there and it's extremely challenging, you can use one support on the wall. If you get the balance eventually, try to extend the arms to the back side. And if you want to challenge it beyond further, you can get the arms to the front as you do this. Alright, step your right leg back, lift it up, look at one point in the front and hold it there and breathe. Keep trying, enjoy the process. Don't burden yourself with the destination. Enjoy the journey. Breathe through it. And come back up. Other side, slowly. That is lovely. Slowly come back up. Feel that engagement in your glutes. Stay there with yourself. This is lovely. Let's go for 4 rounds of Surya Namaskars, Sun Salutations. So come on top of your mat. Inhale, take your arms to the chest. Exhale there. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, slowly bend your knees if you need to and lower yourself down. Inhale, step the right leg back. Right knee down, look up. Hold your breath into plank. Exhale, slowly lower with or without the knee. Inhale, slide ahead and up. Using more of the back engagement. Exhale. Push the hips back, try to lower the heels. It's okay if your knees are bent. From there, step the right leg ahead. Left knee down, look up. Exhale, slowly forward bend. Release the head down. Inhale, arms all the way up. And exhale, join your palms and release. Going for the left side. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, lengthen and left leg back, look up. Hold your breath. Come into plank or downward dog. Slowly lower knee, chest, forehead. Slide ahead and up, keeping the engagement on the back. Exhale. Mountain. Breathe. Inhale, left leg ahead. Right knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward, release the head. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms at the heart, release the hands down. Exhale, join your palms. Coordinate the breath, inhale, arms up. Exhale, lower yourself down. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Hold your breath, either with the mountain or with the plank. Exhale, lower yourself down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, right leg ahead, left knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, join your palms, release. Last one. Exhale, join your palms. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Hold your breath, plank. Exhale, slowly lower. Inhale, roll back, lift up. Exhale, push back. Inhale, left leg ahead, right knee down, look up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, join your palms and release the hands. Breathe. Find stillness. If you have a little more energy, go for a few more rounds of Sun Salutation, and after that unpause this video and then meet me while back at your seated position. Just observe your heart rate, observe how you're breathing, observe where you are at this point. Embrace that current energy you hold. Appreciate yourself for all the hard work. Thank yourself for being so awesome. And keeping the same energy without moving a lot, without disturbing yourself a lot. Slowly come to lying down on the spine. Lie down on your back. Spread your palms facing upwards. Shoulders relax. Neck relax. Hips relax. And surrender yourself. Just breathe. I'll see you for your practice tomorrow. Have a great day.